We're waiting for Donald Trump to speak sometime within the next hour.
We're waiting now for Donald Trump to hold his first town hall meeting.
As we're waiting for Donald Trump to come to the stage.
So a reminder that we're waiting for Donald Trump.
So once again, we're waiting for Donald Trump.
We are waiting on this Trump rally.
We're waiting right now for Donald Trump at that rally.
You're looking at live pictures over there. Much more coming up.
We're watching and waiting for Donald Trump there.
To the Trump event on Kiowa Island that will start any minute.
We're waiting for the start of a Donald Trump campaign rally.
Hey, John, we are waiting for Donald Trump to take the stage behind me.
And we're waiting for Donald Trump to come out.
Melissa, we're waiting for Donald Trump to show up.
We're waiting for Donald Trump to begin a rally in Bloomington, Illinois.
We're waiting right now for Donald Trump to take the stage at a campaign rally in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania.
Waiting for Donald Trump. He's over half an hour late, but that's pretty much the norm with him.
We're waiting for Donald Trump to emerge from this meeting.
We're going to wait, and we're going to bring you that when it happens.
When Trump takes the stage, we will bring you his remarks live. Don't you think every Republican is going to kind of like that? Just go and stay away, you crybaby. Yeah, well, he's about to make it to the stage. All right, let's listen in. Donald Trump taking the microphone.